How to completely disable Google Discover on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can completely disable Google Discover on Android. For this, you want to open up your settings. Now scroll down and find the settings of home screen. Once you tap on this, here find the option of Google Discover. Here it says Add media page to home screen Google Discover on my device. Now, according to the devices, this setting might be different. All you want to do is find the option of Google Discover. Now, if it is toggled on, then you want to toggle off this option. Once you toggle it off, this Google Discover setting will be completely disabled on your device. If for some reason you are not able to find this settings under home screen, then all you want to do is head over to your settings, then tap on the search icon. Now you want to search for Google Discover. On the search result, you will be able to find the Google Discover option, so simply tap on that. Now, you want to make sure that this option is successfully toggled off. If it is toggled on, then you can go ahead and toggle off this option. And as soon as you do that, Google Discover will be successfully disabled on your Android device. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.